everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. My name's Kathy and today I'm going to review an Amazon buy. Now, as many of you know, I lost the connection between that codes the GoPro onto the tripod. I lost it at the class reunion, and I haven't had much luck filming without that. It's kind of been like holding the camera up and going, "Hi, how you doing?" You know, it doesn't work as well. So we're back in business now. I went to Amazon and I ordered a few things for the GoPro. First thing I got was the tripod mount and adapter with the thumb screws. Now this one comes with 3 different mounts, so I have plenty of spares, and they come nicely packaged. The only problem I have with this nicely packaged is that they're expensive. I think it averaged out that they were like $3, a little over $3 a piece, and that's a little expensive for this. I mean, it comes in a nice package, but the package doesn't do you any good, because once you open it, now, I'll take that back. The package is good. It's got, it's resealable, so you can throw it in your camera bag without any problem. So that's not bad. Still a little expensive, $3 a piece. I also found this big bag. This is a bag of GoPro accessories. Got this bag for a whole bag for $15. Almost $10 for this. A little over $15 for this by the time you add the taxes. So let's see what's all in this bag. There is quite a lot. Okay, this is in case you want to go take it out boating with you. You attach your camera here, and this floats on top of the water in case your camera goes over, so you don't lose your camera. I had one that came with the original GoPro, so this wasn't really an extra thing that I needed, but it's nice to have. Another thing that came in this kit is a little flexible tripod. Now I have another one of these also, so this again is not something I really needed, but it's always nice to have an extra one that you can keep wrapped around something and just attach it to as you need it. Another thing on here was a selfie stick. I have a selfie stick, but this one actually seems to be better quality than the one I have. The one I have spins around a lot, and I really have to tighten it hard. This one doesn't spin at all, hardly. You have to unloosen it to get it to spin. So I like that. It also comes with a mount to put on the window. There you go. You can suction cup so you can put it onto a surface to hold your camera, so you can film at different angles, and then you can change the angle on that, and you can change the angle this way. So that's nice. I bought one like this for the car that's a little bit different. It's for the dash cam, and it was $10 just for the mount alone. And the quality is the same. It's made out of the same type of plastic way it feels. Let's see what else is in this bag of goodies. Oh, this is interesting. This is a headband for the GoPro. So you mount your camera here, and then you just put it over your head like so, and you can walk and film and do whatever you want while you're filming. That's nice. I like that. I will probably use that a lot. Okay, this is another one of those clip-on mounts. You put the camera here and you clip it on to wherever you want to hold the camera. I don't ride a bicycle much, nor do I get my motorcycle out anymore, but this is for just that purpose. You put your camera through here, I can't put your handlebar through here, it unscrews, and you tighten it up and put the camera up here, and you can be riding your bicycle or your motorcycle and filming where you're going. Well, I probably will not get much use out of that one because I don't see me getting my motorcycle out again for a long time. What else we have in here? This is a wrist mount. You put the camera in here, and then you put it through here. You can also mount it to any object. It doesn't just have to be on your body. You could use a pole or something like that. But if you were working close and you wanted to show what you were doing, put your camera there, it twirls around however you want, and go from there. It's nice. Quite a few good things in this for 15 bucks. Okay, and then here we have more mounts and these little sticky things that you put on the bottom of them, and then you can stick them to wherever, like helmets, hats, even if you got a place on your, like in the greenhouse, if I want to stick this one certain spot so I can just slide the camera in to, like, over the potting area. That way it will be permanently mounted and I won't have to keep changing it. So it came with 4 of those, so that's nice. Let's see what this one is. Okay, this is a chest mount. Okay, you put the camera in here in the front. It opens up like this. Put your shoulders through, put it around your waist, and you can film as you're walking. And it's adjustable, so you can make it as long or short as you need it. So that's nice. I'm sure we'll get some use out of that. Overall, I'm quite pleased with this purchase. Last, we've got this little key. It's to, well, here's extra fittings and stuff for different angles and heights. But this little key this part here fits into your nuts and things to help tighten and untighten them as need. And this part goes into this to help to open this, which is fine, except for the fact that I found that once you get the camera on here, there's not enough room to get this in to twirl it. There's just not enough room. Now, if it didn't have the Mod Pod on it, Media Pod on it, it probably would work better. But with the Media Pod, there's just not enough room to use this to open up the key. And that's the only thing, that is the one thing I have against the GoPro, and that is the fact that each one of these mounts has a different, like this is a slider and this is the one that screws on. Instead of being able to just interchange this part, you have to undo it from the camera to change from the slider to the tripod mount. So I wish there was a way that you could change those without having to unscrew them all the time for a quick change. The other thing I've got against the GoPro is that it gets hot. It's supposed to be really good for outside weather and stuff, but I have noticed that if the temperature gets up into the 90s, you better have a second camera on hand, because this GoPro will get too hot and it'll just shut down. I have lost a lot of video time waiting for it to cool down so I could go and finish filming. Other than that, with this purchase, I am really pleased, and I think I got my money's worth. I could have gotten a package with even more stuff, but I didn't need all the stuff that they had in it. And like this one, I wanted the head lamp, the head mount, I wanted the chest mount, and I wanted these tripod mounts. And to buy those separately, and I wanted the suction cup one, and to buy those separately was almost $10 a piece. And like I said, I bought the suction cup one for the car because I couldn't find it any other where, and it's the exact same material as this. So I think the quality on this is really nice. Plus, like I said, come with this nice little bag that you can keep the spare parts in, and the big bag that I keep everything else in, so I can keep it in my camera bag without everything falling out. So overall, I'm quite pleased with this purchase. So if you have a GoPro and you're thinking about getting some accessories, check Amazon first. They have some good deals. So if you learned anything, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, it doesn't cost anything, and hit the bell icon, that way you'll know when I'm on next. And remember, like always, dream big and follow that dream. Bye everybody.